Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be doing our chemical and physical changes exploration lab this week, and what I need to show you here is your lab sheet that you're going to be filling out. You have 6 stations. We are going to do 3 on one day and 3 on the next day. Mrs. Williams will have 3 stations, and Mrs. Garcia will have 3 stations. What I want you to see on this lab sheet is that you need to fill out every single column as you go through it, unless it is blanked out. If it's blanked out, you don't need to put anything, only where you have something that a space to write. The first station includes Epsom salts and laundry called washing soda. You have your glass test tubes and a petri dish. Now, what we really want you to do on this lab is make sure that you are following step-by-step instructions, because if you're not going to follow them, you will not get the result that you need. One of the utmost things that you need to be reminded of is safety. Safety throughout this lab. You will wear goggles. You will wear aprons. And you will pull your hair back. You will have all of those safety lab procedures in place before you even get to start. But as you go through, as Mrs. Williams and Mrs. Garcia walk around the room checking you, we are going to be looking to see that you are checking off step by step by step, and that you are writing your results right here in the lab. You do have to draw on some. Just follow the information on the lab station. Station 2 will be a station with cabbage juice, antacids, and you will be putting them into a graduated cylinder, the juice, and then you're going to put the antacid, as it says, 1/2 of an antacid tablet into the baggie containing the juice. And then you're going to identify if it's a physical or chemical change. Station 3, cabbage juice, cream of tartar. So we have the cabbage juice again, cream of tartar, baking powder, and detergent. In this particular station, again, you have to go step by step by step, and you write in everything that you see. Station 4, Epsom salt and ammonia. It's just the same thing. You're going to have these pieces of equipment to work with. Again, they are glass. Utmost safety needs to be followed. Okay, even when it's short and simple. There's only 4 steps here, but that still means you need to be doing everything carefully. Remember, you have time. Station 5, cornstarch, vinegar, and phenol red. This will be measured and put into the beaker, and you are to record what changes you see. Are they physical? Are they chemical? And what is your evidence? That's one of the things that Mrs. Williams and Mrs. Garcia will be looking for very carefully. Station 6. Your substances are baking soda and vinegar, and again, the phenol red. You are measuring, you're putting things in a baggie and mixing them, and then again, you're writing down your observations. At the summary, you are going to complete the chart, and you are going to answer questions for your conclusion. Now you're going to go take the quiz for the Chemical Changes Lab Flip. Keep taking the quiz until you make a 100. You need to be prepared for this lab.